You might have heard the whispers, rumors floating around in coin groups and even on social media that an ordinary-looking dime could be worth not just a few dollars, not just hundreds, but even millions. And yes, some people claim the 1989 Roosevelt Dime might just be one of those hidden treasures. Sounds unbelievable, right? Could a simple coin from your pocket change really hold the key to life-changing money? Well, stay with me till the end, because today we're digging into the mystery, the truth, and the facts about this fascinating little coin. Firstly, have a look at its design. On the front, or obverse, you'll find the portrait of Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States, who inspired the March of Dimes campaign against polio. His profile has been on the dime since 1946. To the left is the word Liberty, just below his chin is I in God We Trust, and at the bottom, the date 1989 with the Denver Mint mark, D. Flip the coin over, and you'll see the reverse, a torch in the center, symbolizing liberty, with an olive branch for peace and an oak branch for strength. Around it reads United States of America, the motto E pluribus unum, and the denomination 1 dime. Simple, clean, and iconic. Let's talk about history. The 1989 Roosevelt Dime was struck at the Denver Mint, with an enormous mintage of more than 896 million coins. That means almost every American who used coins in the late 1980s touched one of these. Because of the huge mintage, most 1989 dimes are still common today. But as collectors know, sometimes rarity hides in the details. The question is now, what's it really worth? Here's where things get interesting. If you have a worn, circulated 1989 dime from your pocket, it's usually worth just 10 cents. In uncirculated condition, these dimes can fetch anywhere between $2 and $20 depending on quality. In very high grades, like MS-67, auction prices have jumped into the $50 to $100 range. The real stars are the superb gems in MS-68 or higher, which have been known to sell for $500 or more. But wait, that's not all. So, why do people say this coin could be worth millions? It comes down to error coins and hype. Some collectors and online posts exaggerate, suggesting that rare dimes could be hiding in your change and sell for millions. And while it's true that some U.S. coins have hit multi-million-dollar auction records, they're usually much older and far rarer issues, like the 1804 silver dollar or unique gold coins. For the 1989 dime, no coin has ever sold for anywhere near $1 million. However, dramatic mint errors, like off-center strikes, double strikes, or wrong planchet errors, can fetch hundreds or even thousands at auction. And if a one-of-a-kind discovery were made, who knows? Collectors would be willing to pay big for it. So while the chances of your 1989 dime being worth millions are extremely slim, it's not worthless either. In pristine condition or with a striking mint error, it could be a valuable collector's piece. And that's the thrill of coin collecting. You never know what treasure could be hiding in plain sight. So next time you find a dime in your change, take a closer look. Because who knows? Yours might just be more than a dime.